Tucker, do you want to see the pumpkin? Let's see. Alright. Go get it. Get the pumpkin. Get the pumpkin, Tucker. Get the pumpkin. You like it? Do you like the pumpkin? Oh, he's eating the pumpkin. What are you doing? He is making out with the pumpkin. That's okay. We encourage that.
Free love.
Free love. Good boy. Good boy, Tucker. Do you love the pumpkin?
I think he's in love with the pumpkin.
I know. I think he wants to marry the pumpkin. Tucker the pumpkin eater. Alright, he is kissing the pumpkin. Good boy. Now what? Tucker. Tucker, look. It opens. Hi, pumpkin. Hi, pumpkin. Mmm. Does that taste good?